Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome to my channel. And today's video, I will tell you about this patch. This is small granny square patch. You can see the back side also. This looks very beautiful. Okay, so let's begin our video. For this video, I'm using this 3-ply wool. This is very thin wool. And with this I'm using 2.0 mm crochet hook. Okay, so we will start to make a slip knot like this, or you can start like this also. Okay, make 5 chains. 1 2 3 4 and 5. After 5 chains, in very first chain we will make a slip stitch like this. Now we have a ring. Okay, after this we'll make 3 chains. 1 2 and 3, which will count in our double crochets. Okay, now start to make double crochets into this space or into this ring. Make 1 more double crochet. Now there are 3 double crochets. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, and 3 double crochets in the same space. 1 2 and 3. Again 2 chains, 3 more double crochets in the same space. 1 2 and 3. Again 2 chains and 3 more double crochets in the same space. After 3 double crochets, 2 chains, and we will join here. In third chain we will join with a slip stitch like this. Here our first round has been completed now. Okay, for the second round we'll make again 3 chains as our double crochet and 1 more double crochet in the same chain. Now we have 2 double crochets on the same double crochet. Okay, in the next chain or on the next double crochet we will make 2 double crochet in the same chain. 1 and 2. Basically we are increasing double crochets in every chain. We had 3 double crochets in the last round. Now we should have 6 double crochet in this round. So in the next chain we will make again 2 double crochets in the same chain. 1 and 2. Okay, now we have 6 double crochets. Now make 3 chains. 1 2 and 3, and again skip this space. In the next chain or on the double crochet, on the first double crochet we'll make 1 double crochet and second double crochet in the same chain. We will make 2 double crochets here and 2 double crochets here. There will be 6 total. 2 double crochets in the next chain and 2 more double crochets in the next chain. 1 and 2. Now chain 3, 1 2 and 3, and again we will make 6 double crochets on the 3 double crochets, and again we'll make 3 chains and 6 double crochet as we will complete our this round. And in last, after 3 chains, again we will join in the third chain 1, 2 and 3. In third chain we will join with a slip stitch like this. Here our second round is also completed now. Okay, in the third round we will make again 3 chains and 1 more chain for the 1 chain space. Now make 1 double crochet in the next chain, again chain 1 double crochet in the next chain, chain 1 double crochet in the next chain. In second round we had 6 double crochets. In third round we will also have 6 double crochet with 1 chain. Okay, 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain. Now we'll make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 for our corner, and in the next double crochet we'll make 1 double crochet and 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 chain, as we will complete our this round also. Okay, in last we will join with a slip stitch in the third chain 1, 2, 3. Like this. Here our 3 rounds has been completed now. Okay, in fourth and last round we'll make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and we will make in 1 chain space we'll make a 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 double crochet in the 1 chain space, 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next space, 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 double crochet in the next space, 1 double crochet in the next chain. Okay, we should have 11 double crochets continue. Okay, after 11 double crochets make two more double crochets in this space, 1 and 2, and 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and again 2 double crochets in the same space, in the corner space, 1 and 2, like this. In one side we will have 15 double crochets continue and 3 chains in the corner, 2 double crochets in the corner space. Now we will make 1 double crochet in the next, into this next chain, 1 double crochet in the next space, 1 double crochet in the next chain, next space, okay. Now we have 13 double crochets continue, and to complete this side we will have to make 2 more double crochets in the side corner space. Now they are total 15 double crochets. Okay, 3 chains for the corners and 2 double crochets in the same space, Like this we will make this side and this side also. Okay, last 3 chains, 1 2 and 3. And in our first side, to complete this side also, we have to make 2 more double crochets in the same space, 1 and 2. Now they are 15 total. So in third chain we will join with a slip stitch as usual, chain 1, and here our patch is completed now. I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos and more designs, patterns, and share with your friends and family. Thank you. Keep watching.